Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video I am going to share with you UAE teaching jobs. If you are interested becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. In URL you can put www.eps.ae. If you are enter this website ID, you can get this main page. Here right corner menu available. If you click this menu, you can get one option careers. If you are entering the career page, you can get what are the vacancies available, how to apply, what are the position they are offering, everything you can get here itself. In this school, Elite Private School in Abu Dhabi, here 1400 students and 160 staffs are there. So if you are interested to apply in this school job positions, you can hold recognized teaching qualification and attested certificate in order to get shortlisted for an interview. For all the academic position, candidate must go through HR interview and academic panel interview followed by a demo class. The result will be evaluated by the senior leadership team before any selection. So these are the things are mandatory for in this school. So what they offer mean the highly competitive salary, employment visa, annual flight ticket and health insurance for selected candidate, and most importantly they are offering exciting career opportunity and multicultural and highly dedicated team. These are the things are mentioned here itself. So what are the position available mean? English teacher, native English speaker, ICT teacher, kindergarten teacher, mathematics, primary class and teaching essay. These are the position available. If you are interested to apply, you can click English teacher, means you can get what are the English teacher job description, how to apply, everything you can get it from here. The employment type is full time. The compensation minimum 10,000 AED to 15,000 AED. So always candidate must be available on online interview and demo class. Candidate possesses bachelor degree or master degree and teaching qualification from a recognized university. So if you are interested, you can apply your updated CV. Immediate joiners will be given the preference. So apply for this job. If you are click me, you can get an application form. Here you can enter your first name, last name, email ID and phone number. Green color stars are here mandatory. Then update your CV and date, which date are you available you can mention here, and desired pay. So if you have website ID, you can enter here. Already do you have a UAE experience when you can enter, and are you native English speaker, you can mention everything. So after this you can submit your application. If you submit your application, you can get one acknowledgement to your mail. You can use this future reference. So these are the things are in this school. If you are interested, you can apply as per the instruction. The second one is Raga International School. You can enter www.ris.ae. You can get this main page. Here main page right corner menu available. If you click this menu, one of the option our community. If you are entering our community, work with us. In this page you may know what are the vacancies available, how to apply, everything you get it from here. So current vacancies. If you are interested in this school current vacancy, you can visit Talim Career Portal. So before that you can check your qualification and criteria here itself. They expect police clearance certificate, medical and the Ministry of Education approval. Here if you are entering Talim's career portal, you can get what are the vacancies available. Current academic vacancies. Here head of early years, head of primary and head of secondary. These are the vacancies in this school. If you are interested in this position, you can apply as per the instruction. Here they are given what are the curriculum they are following, what they look for teachers, Bachelor of Education, 4 years leadership experience and qualified teacher status. These are mandatory for this position. When this job starting in April 2021 or August 2021. The deadline of the application 9th October 2020. So preliminary interview will be takes place in Abu Dhabi at the end of the October. If you are in UAE, you can apply as per the instruction. If you think Raha school is for you, you can send your updated CV and cover letter and explaining why would you be a good fit for this school. So you can send all the details to hradvisor@ris.ae. The same procedure for other position too. So you can apply as per the instruction. The third one is Oasis International School, Al-Ain, UAE. In this school also they are offering few vacancies. In URL you can put www.oasisalign.com. If you are entering this website, you can get this main page. Here right corner menu available. If you click this menu, here one of the option careers. Here current vacancies. If you are go through the current vacancies, you may know what are the vacancies available, how to apply, everything we get it from here. To apply for the position Oasis International School, please submit your CV manager@oasisalign.com. So candidate must have good communication skills. Computer literacy will be preferred. The applicant for teaching position should be experienced postgraduate having B.Ed or M.Ed and fluent in English. These are the position here. Primary teachers, science, English and mathematics vacancies, and kindergarten teachers, middle school teacher and seniors teacher. These are the vacancies for in this school. The qualification also here mentioned, but that means bachelor degree and B.Ed, otherwise master degree and B.Ed. Depends upon the subject. You can check whether, if for example if you are applying senior teacher, mean you can click view details, mean you can get the details, all the details from here. So qualification mentioned. So apply now. How to apply means here they are given one form: name, email address, phone number and nationality, current salary and benefit and expected salary and benefit. Everything you have to mention here itself, and current notice period. So you can mention here. Then finally you can upload your CV and then send it. So these are the things how you have to do here. After sending your application, you can get one acknowledgement. You can use it for your future reference. The fourth one is manorhalschool.com. So you can enter www.manorhalschool.com. You can get this main page. In this main page, left corner careers available. If you click this career page, you can get what are the vacancies available in this page. Presently they are accepting CVs for future position. So if you are interested in this school job vacancies, you can send your CV as per the instruction. What are the openings? Mean middle and high school technology teacher and elementary teacher. If you feel you are the right candidate, please send the updated CV careers@manorhalschool.com. Otherwise you can click apply now. Mean you can get here, select middle or high school technology teacher or elementary teacher, then name, email address and phone number, then upload your CV, then submit. So you can do like this. If you are sending your application, you can get acknowledgement to your mail. So these are the things in this school also. Hope you like this video. Make sure before applying you can check your skills, eligibility and qualification, experience, and please read the job description. So if you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.